Hi and welcome. In this video, you will learn how to find the determinant of a matrix. In linear algebra, it can sometimes be useful to calculate the determinant of a matrix. The determinant is a special number that can be calculated from a matrix. The matrix has to be square, I mean the same number of rows and columns. For example, the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix can be calculated using this simple formula. For matrices with higher dimensions, the calculation is more complex. We can use the NumPy library to calculate the determinant of a matrix using the function det. You will learn how to use NumPy's linear algebra method det to calculate the determinant. Let's now go to practice. First, we need to import the NumPy library. As an example, we are going to create a 3 by 3 matrix. To find the determinant, we are going to use the function det from the NumPy's linear algebra method. With this, we finished the video, where you learned how to find the determinant of a matrix in Python. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I hope that was helpful.